You're gonna love the 2020 Dodge Charger. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Charger delivers all the power and excitement you want in a muscle car and the safety features and convenience you need for the daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Why miss out on performance just because you need 4 doors? Get into the Charger and drive.